Hi.
Whoa! Whoa! She's nice and tired for her nap.
It's like climbing a mountain for a baby.
Can you go to Daddy?
Come on up, Charmy. She's like a Swiss mountain climber. She likes to yodel while she's
You're doing a good job. She's not scared, which is the problem. Some kids are like scared, which is good with sex.
Come on up, Charmy. Come
There's
on.
Kristen
Come on.
and Daddy. Come on.
Here we go. Oh.
She looks like crap.
Come on,
crap
sweetie.
her.
Come on, sweetie.
Go get Daddy. Can you go up to Dad? Go to Dad.
Come on up. Come on up.
Watching you. Getting some steam going here.
All right.
Yay!